Okay, I'm again starting. My recording was stopped. So what I'm doing? Okay, see, I just recently completed this data. Okay, now after that, don't forget to go to the file and save this data. Okay, I save that. Again, I'm doing minimize for the temporary. After that, I'm going to the form text. Okay, let me click over here from text. After that, we are going to the where is exactly my file? My file is inside of your desktop. Okay, I'm going to the desktop. This is the Rohit file, and I'm saying import. Import means I want to put over here. Okay, after this, take a little bit time to the connect your Rohit file. Okay, now see, is it connected? Okay, right now even they automatically determine what exactly you are using. For the separation purpose, are you using comma? Yes, obviously we are using comma only, right? So you can see over here the comma it's already selected. Okay, after that what we can do after your comma, if suppose you are using space, you can say it also I'm using space. If you're using semicolon, you can put the semicolon also, but over here you can see I use as a comma for separate our columns. Okay, so that's why I'm going back again to the over here and I'm saying I want to use the comma for the separation my columns. Okay, now just click on the load button. So when you are clicking on the load button, you can see it will be loading. So whatever your data you have. Okay, yeah, yeah. Okay, sorry for disturbance. There is someone are coming from over here. Okay, see when I'm clicking on the load button, you can see the my data is load. Are you getting guys? So your data is ready. Why there is need to, with right now, okay, maybe some person are saying, sir, we can do the copy paste also. But if you have to the large quantity of data, then you are doing copy paste? No, na? That I want to mean. So basically what? Guys, simply I just added my whatever the data I have over here, I just added over here inside of the Excel. Right now, let me show you something magic. So what I'm doing, I'm going to the Excel file, my normal text file, and I'm adding one more entry. Suppose number 4. Okay, after that comma, suppose I want to say to the name as the bin two, bin two, uh, Uma Mari. Okay, suppose this is name don't matter. Just don't mind. Okay, after that comma, suppose she having salary suppose this much. Okay, and comma, I want to say that female. Okay, done, female. Now what I'm doing, I'm going over your file and saving this one. Okay, again I'm going back to the Excel file. Right now you can see any changes over here. This is third enter, right? No, you cannot able to see that. So maybe you are saying, sir, we need to go to back again to the data. Again, we need to go to the form. No, no, guys, we do not need to do that. What we need to do, just click over here, refresh. When we are clicking to the refresh, you can see it will be automatically coming that. Okay, let me check. You cannot able to open that. Okay. Okay, see, it's done. Are you getting? Means when I'm adding something data over there, it will be add over here also. When I'm clicking with the refreshment, and why it's happening? Because if I'm closing this, you can see guys, because we have to the over here queries, okay, and a connection. When I'm clicking over here, you can see that Rohit is still connect with us, isn't it? That will be not removed yet. Okay, now let me show you it again back. Suppose I'm going over here, I'm adding another one data 5, okay, comma. After that, I'm adding suppose Juma, okay, Juma Holo, okay. After that, comma, suppose this much salary, okay. After that, comma, and I'm saying female, okay, done. I'm going to the file and I'm saving this one, okay. After that, again, I'm doing to the minimize and see. After that, I'm saying refresh. You can see when I'm saying to the refresh, okay, okay. Now you can see let me say okay, okay. Now see the fifth entry also came, isn't it? Even somebody are removing something from our this file, it will be showing over here also to the reflect. Right now. Suppose I don't want that connection. If suppose I don't want that connection, so how we can do? We can go over here in the queries and the connection and say you can hover and you can click over here delete also, or else you can right click on this and say to the delete also. See, then it will be connection will be the stop. Okay, now I would you like to use this option only. I'm just hovering in the Rohit. After that, see over here option we have delete. Okay, and I say want to say delete. So there is no any more connection. Okay, now I'm closing that. Right now, what happened if suppose somebody are going over here and suppose they are removing some data. Okay, Now suppose there is some removing data, file and save. Again, I'm going back over here, and if suppose we are refreshing, see there is no any refreshment. Are you getting? See, let me show you also. Okay, okay, okay. Now see there is nothing it changed because why? We close the connection. So that I want to mean over here, guys, we have to the from text. Okay, we can take from the text data and we can add over here. There is a query and connection is important because whenever we are doing changes over here in this one, it will be showing to the in this your Excel file. Okay, after that, when you are closing that connection, when you're deleting that connection, what happen? It will be not any more connection. Then if you are changing to the over here, it will be not, we can see the changes over here. Okay, that is exactly I want to mean. Now after that, the end section is only what is remaining. So guys, there are a lot of different way we can sort also the data, we can filter also the data. Okay, so that is exactly, and this all option is coming to the advanced Excel. Okay, so over here we are not discussing any kind of advanced Excel, that I want to mean. And the one is even you can call the data in different way. See from to the file. Okay, after that we can call from to the database, Azure, and even you can call from to the web also. Let me show you one example from web. I'm clicking on the from web. Okay, okay, let's put your URL. So what I'm doing, I'm going to the Chrome browser. Okay, I'm choosing my account, and what I'm doing, I'm searching something, information on Wikipedia. So car I'm searching. Okay, let's go to the Wikipedia. Okay, so I'm copying this URL, Control C for copy. Okay, I'm minimizing and I'm going to the over here in URL, I'm pasting. Control V for paste. Okay, HTTP, this is exactly I have, and I'm saying okay. Right now, please wait while. Now it's showing something. Let's take a time. Now see whatever I have in that page, the all tables are coming over here. Okay, suppose I want the first table. See, in that first table, the car is this, that Toyota information is over here. And just say load. See, when I'm clicking on the load, wait, let's go. It's actually processing. See, it's taking a time little bit, getting data ready. See, done. Isn't it? So that I want to mean. Means you can take data from internet, you can take a data. Means everything is sorted directly. It's everything, cleared. We do not need to worry about to the take data and think about that. So that is exactly the data I would you like to discuss. Okay, let me stop the video.